Good morning, friends. Vijay here.
Always filled with happiness and brightness. So that is the meaning. In Vestige, we always used to say good morning. Friends, if you see, people are being very busy in their life from the morning to till night, from the entire life. Right? Every day, people are looking for some opportunity. Right? Being with this busy life, how the people are living in their life, if you see in the age of 65, 36% of the people, they are no more. They die. 54% of the people, they are dependent in their family members. You can see even in our home also after the retirement, people are being with a dependent in their family members like with his son or daughter, and 5% people, they are still working. Even after age of 65, people are going for a job to survival of life. That means 95% of the people, they are not living their life the way they want. But friends, 5% people, they are living their life with all the luxurious and they are enjoying their life with all the abundance. No, why? Why this reason? Why the 95% people are not living but 5% people with all the luxurious? So the reason is how you are going to earn money, the income, how you are going to generate the income, that is going to be the difference from this 95% people to 5% people. Now, this 95% people income is in these two categories. One is E and S. E stands for employee who work for others' dream. So the employee, what the people will do, they are investing their time to trade money, right? And S category people, they are something better than E category people. So these S category people, they will not work for others' dream, but they will work for their own dream, like engineers, graduate, and doctors, advocate, and the people who's doing the business, like grocery shop, supermarket, or medical shop, real estate. All these people who is doing a business, they are coming into this S category. Now, these two people, employee and self-employed, these two people, individual income, individual effort. Based on their individual effort, they are earning their money. Their income is limited income and their income is active income. What is mean by active income? Friends, active income means whenever you are able to go for a job or whenever you are able to do your business, then you will get a income. If you are not able to do, then you will not get the income. See, being an employee, just ask yourself, you may be working for 5 years or 10 years or even 15 years. Suppose if you are not able to go for a job for another 10 days, what will happen to your income? Did you get income? Salary? No. That means it depends on your active income. Whenever you go, you will get. So that is the reason even the age of 65, people are going for job. And this S category people who's self-employed, their income also individual income and active income. See, for example, imagine there is a doctor in your city where you are living, one of the best doctor. If you go on attend one surgery, he will get 1 lakh. How many surgery he can do per day? Maximum 3, 4 or 5, right? So 5 surgery, 5 lakhs, that is the limit. You can't go beyond that. Fine. May ask per day 5 lakhs is really good, right? But friends, imagine by accidentally, there is a one small accident, he lost his finger or any small accident in his finger. Is it possible to do the operation now? No. So his income also called as active income. So that is the reason this 95% people are not living their life the way they want. But friends, this 5% people, B stands for business owner. I'm not speaking about in this B category, a small business which is we are seeing in the in and around. The business which own a system, right? The business which created by the team effort. Because these two category, B category and I category investor, where your money will work for you, right? So these people income is based on their team income. They have created one team under them and the team is as per the system the team is working. So they are getting income from the team and it is unlimited income because today they may have 10 people as a team. They can increase 20, 500, like a 2,000, 5,000 members of team also. And their income is passive income. So that is the reason these 5 category people, even if they go on to sleep, they will get a income, right? But friends, the money in the world, 95% of the money is among these 5% people only. But only 5% money is shared among the 95% people, right? Now, what this 5% people are doing to be successful? Now, all these 5% people who is coming in this 5% category, they all are being with one thing, that is called, they all are doing the service to the people. That means you can have everything in your life you want if you just help other people to get what they want. When you help other people to get, then you can get everything. This is what the 5% people are doing, friends. Now, today, what people really want? Everyone wanted to have wealth and health. So this is the basic need of people. Everyone looking for this. That too in the last 5-6 months, because of this coronavirus lockdown, entire world lockdown, people are being in their home, but financially problem. There is no salary, no income, financially problem. Same time, they are not able to go for out. Health also problem. So these are the two major things which is required today for everyone. At the same time, is it possible to get health and wealth together anywhere? No, friends, because people are going for a job, even they are going for a job in the 7 to 7, night to 7 to morning 7. So they are losing their health, right? And today, the business opportunity which we are going to discuss, the name of the company Vestige, company says wish you wealth. When you see wealth, W-L-L-T-H, it looks like a spelling mistake. But friends, it's not a spelling mistake. There is no word in English dictionary, W-E-L-L-T-H. Our company Vestige created this word. That means wealth through wellness, where you can get health and wealth together. That is one place called Vestige. In your success lies our success. Vestige is the company which always believes on one thing. The distributor who join in this business, the success of the distributor is success of the company, right? Friends, to discuss about the company and the product and success story and what you will get from this business, it will take me for another 45 minutes to 50 minutes. But friends, I can assure you one thing, in the next 50 minutes, it will be a life-changing opportunity for you. So I request the new people who join this meeting, be with me till end of the meeting, because the 50 minutes, let's take 1 hour, we are just seeing your WhatsApp forward videos, or in front of TV, we are just crossing this 1 hour without any purpose of use. But here, the next 1 hour, it will change your entire life, right? Our MD, Mr. Gautam Bali, he has more than 20 years of experience in network marketing. Along with Mr. Gautam Bali, Mr. Deepak Sood and Mr. Kanwar Bir Singh, these two people also have a very great experience in network marketing. These are the 3 professionals who started Vestige in the year of 2004. When we start in the year of 2004, we started with the 2 offices. One is in Delhi and Bangalore. The 2 products, Spirulina and glucosamine, and 6 distributors. This is the way the company starts in a very, very smaller way. But friends, if you see today, within 16 years, unimaginable growth. More than 2 crore distributors are there with Vestige, and more than 45 plus branch offices all over the India. 2,500 mini DLCP and DLCPs are available, and 300 plus products we have today in Vestige. And today, Vestige is the international business opportunity. We are successfully running our business in Dubai, Nepal, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Thailand. Recently, we also started from Ghana. The growth path, 2004-2005, we did a 5 crore turnover, and it gradually increased. Last year, we did a turnover of 2,300 crore turnover. The last 16 years, you see, not even a single year where our business goes down. It's regularly, every year, it's increased revenue. In the last 16 years, if you see, the average growth rate is more than 79% growth. 79% growth, it's a very huge. So when you see this slide, in this graph itself, you can understand one thing. There is something in this business. That is the reason the company can increase their revenue year on year increase, right? You see, network marketing industry is not a new one. network marketing industry is successfully running more than 100 plus years. There are thousands and thousands of network marketing companies are available all over the world. Into that, every year they will choose top 100 direct selling company. In the top 100 direct selling company, there is only one company which is listed from India, that is Vestige. That today we are proudly stands in the position of 30th position in the global ranking, and the aim of the company to be in the top 10 direct selling company before 2025. Training and support. We have all the trainings as a system, the distributor where they can join and they can learn. So we have CNT, cellular nourishment therapy, B growth CSD, healthcare product training, VIP, Vestige Initiate program, Meet the Millionaire. Once you become a bronze director, and we have a special training for leadership content. So all the trainings we have as a system. The trainings are right now in online also. So where you can easily join, you can learn the business products and everything, and business tools. Car book, more than 5,000 people purchase the car. Speaking about their success story, we have a car book, a leading ladies book, successful woman distributor who is earning more than 1 lakh and above. Speaking about their success story, we have a leading ladies book, corporate AV, business starter kit, success plan, health guide, voice magazine, Flipchart, all the tools we have, and we have our own manufacturing unit. We have manufacturing unit in Himachal Pradesh, and research and development center we have. Our manufacturing unit have all the certificate like Halal certificate, GMP certificate, ISO certificate, excellence certificate. So all the certificates we have. In a product overview, extensive range of product, 300 plus product with different categories we have, world-class product quality. Friends, within 16 years, more than 2 crore distributor international business opportunity in the globally 30th position. This all happened because of the product quality. So there is no quality in the product, it is not possible to sustain the market, right? So our products are international quality products and true value for money. What is meant by true value for money? Now, the money which you spend to buy a Vestige product, the product will give you more value than the money which we spend. Profit-based product. Vestige is giving many offers like a repurchase offer, joining offer, and consistency offer. So when we use this offer, we can save nearly 50% from the price of the product. International quality standard with affordable price. Our Vestige products works with the therapy. The therapy called CNT. CNT means cellular nourishment therapy. Now our whole body is made by cells. There are 63 trillion cells are available in our body. Every day, lakhs of cells get destroyed and new cells get reproduced. The cells which reproduce in our body, the cells are active and energetic, we will be active. But friends, ask the question yourself. The cells which reproduce in our body, is it really active? No, because of lifestyle, stress of life, and the food what you consume, even water what you consume, everything is get polluted. That's the reason our cells are not getting enough nutrition. So if our cells are not getting enough nutrition, it get affected with the immunity, right? So that's the reason easily the diseases will affect today. But our Vestige products works with your cell level, which gives proper nutrition to your cell and it improves your immunity system. This is the way our Vestige products works. In a product overview, different category, more than 300 plus products we have. So I will be moving a little fast for each and every product. At the same time, for each and every product, we have health guide and product catalog, and we have videos for each and every product. If you go to our official YouTube channel, you can find your videos for each and every product to know more. Prime category, we have extract V and extract F and grill oil. Extract V, 13 vegetables extract in a powder form. When you consume this, we will be getting a benefit of 13 vegetables at a time. Extract F, 7 fruits extract in a powder form, and grill oil we have, and Pro Heart. Heart related problems, we have products in this category. Flex oil, L-arginine, coenzyme and Q10. Flex oil. No, even the person who fixed for the bypass surgery, when they consume the flex oil, they are getting a very good result. The price of the product is just 500 rupees in India. L-arginine. L-arginine is the Nobel Prize winning product, and coenzyme and Q10 we have glycemic health. Now, today diabetic is one of the major issues. There are people who spend thousands of rupees for diabetic. At the same time, how many months they are going for the treatment, or how many years? People are going for lifetime, right? But we have products, Vestige in neem capsule, And even the person who is taking a insulin, when they consume our Vestige neem capsule, their sugar level comes to the normal. The price of the product is 320 rupees. Friends, ask yourself, when the person who diabetic, when they consume 320 rupees worth of product, if your sugar level comes to the normal, here 320 rupees is more, or the product which give the value is more value. Same way, or each and every product of Vestige product will give you more value than the money which we spend. Stevia is the sugar free. Instead of sugar, wherever you want to add sugar, you can use our stevia. Joint and bones. No, when the person enter the 45-50 years, they are also get affected with the joint pain, knee pain. So we have products calcium and glucosamine for this category, and immunity boost product. In immunity boost, we have spirulina, noni, colostrum, aloe vera, amla. Spirulina is called as a superfood. It has all the vitamin minerals which is required for our body. And the price of the spirulina, 100 capsules, 360 rupees. If you are taking 2 capsules per a day, it's less than 8 rupees. It's less than the cup of tea. At the same time, the products which is required for everyone, every family today. And we have noni, colostrum, aloe vera, amla in the immunity boost category. Detox and regeneration. Friends, by known or unknown, different type of toxins goes to our body every day. To be healthy, we have to remove the toxins from our body. So we have the products in this category: dietary fiber, foot patch, Ganoderma, eye support, and fitness and diet. Obesity is one of the major issues. There are people who spend thousands of rupees for the weight management. So we have products in this category: Veslim shake, Veslim tea, Veslim capsule, and protein powder, and women's health. Especially for women's health, we have Iron Poly, Satavari Max, and Cranberry. Personal care product for hair care, 3 type of shampoo: oily hair, normal hair, and dry hair. Hair spa, hair gel, hair oil we have. And face care: fairness cream, BP cream, sunscreen, SPF 30, moisturizing lotion, so night cream, and body care. Deo for men and women, powder for men and women, and body polish, body wash, hand wash, pain relief cream, and shaving cream, food cream, soap, all the products we have, and agriculture range of products. And to increase the yield in the agriculture field, we have products in this category. And health food. Every day, every family we use this product. Zeta tea, Zeta coffee, Envigo protein powder, Lighthouse rice bran oil, olive oil, freshen up drink, and chocolate for breakfast cereals. Oral care, toothpaste, toothbrush, Ganoderma toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, mouthwash, and air purifier we have. Ayush and Ayurveda based product for kidney care and liver care, and to remove the toxins from our body. So all the products we have in the Ayurveda based products also. And True Men, especially for men's grooming, we have True Men's products. Skin Formula 9 products, high waist product. And for floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, vessels cleaning, cloth wash, all the products we have in this category. Mist of Milan, lipsticks, nail polish, mascara, many products we have for the Mist of Milan category. Dew Garden, especially for women, we have Dew Garden product. Water purifier we have, and Assure natural care product. Without any chemical, without any animal test, we have the product in this category. MagDrive Nano Energizer. To give the life to our 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler, along with the engine oil, we can add this one. It will give the life for our engine. And Vestige Best Deal. Vestige Best Deal is the e-commerce portal where the distributor can find thousands of products through the Vestige Best Deal. Vestige Best Deal today is going to be a complete family store. For all our family need, we can purchase the product through Vestige Best Deal. Vestige Best Deal, we also started opening as a outlet, a supermarket. More than 183 outlets are available all over the India. And the aim of the company, more than 1,000 outlets we are planning to open before 2021. And you can find all the branded items through the Vestige Best Deal. And you will be getting a repurchase offer and consistency offer also. And when you place 1,600 above order, the courier is free. And when you buy the essential through the Vestige Best Deal for 2,000 and above for 3 months, and end of the 3 months, you will get 1,000 rupees worth of free voucher. You can purchase any product as per your wish. Bulk order, business to business. If you have any shops by your own, you can place your bulk order where you can get a price in the wholesale price. All the essentials, top brand essential products are available. Rice, dal, masalas, everything you can find through the Vestige Best Deal. And home appliance, everything you can find through the Vestige Best Deal. That means it's going to be a complete family store for all your needs. Right now, Vestige Best Deal is in India, and we are started working for Vestige Best Deal to open in international market also. Very soon, we are going to open in Nepal and Bangladesh. So other countries we will be coming very soon for future Vestige Best Deal in international also. Right, friends, if you see more than 300 plus product, all the products are really required for each and every family. At the same time, the price of the products also very reasonable. At the same time, we are already using the product. Maybe not the Vestige brand, but some other brand we are already using, buying from supermarket. Just change the shop. Instead of buying from supermarket, if you buy from Vestige, first thing what company says, our health, we will be healthy. And second, very important thing, how to earn money. That we are going to discuss in the marketing plan. Friends, before we want to understand one thing, how the money comes through the network market. Imagine there is a company who's in the market more than 50-60 years. If they want to bring one new product, if they bring the product directly to the supermarket, the product will get sales? No. What they have to do? They have to spend crores and crores of rupees for the advertisement. Right. So this is the way the traditional market works years on year. When manufacturing company, when they manufacture the product, the manufacturing cost is 100 rupees. But when it reaches to the end user, the cost goes nearly 400 rupees to 450 rupees. So 50 rupees goes to the wholesaler and retailer, and 300 rupees goes to the advertisement and TV channel, medias and newspaper and celebrities, actors and actor who's acting in the advertisement. They are giving crores and crores of rupees for the actor and actors. But friends, where they keep all the expenses in the price of the product. Who's using the product? End user. Just ask yourself, from early morning to till night, what are the product you are using? How many years you are using? Did you get any benefit because of the product which you consume? No. But the actor and actors who's not even touch the product, they are getting crores and crores of rupees because when you consume the product, they are getting crores and crores of rupees. So this is the way the traditional market works years on year. But now people are aware. Nobody like to purchase the product just because seeing in the TV channel, TV advertisement. So the manufacturing companies are there changing the way of marketing. That is called network marketing. So network marketing is more than 100 plus years successfully running all over the world. Through this model, when the company manufactures the product, now they are giving more quality product, and the products goes to the end user by the way of distributor, right? And the end user can become a distributor. That means between the manufacturing company and the consumer, there is no middleman. Now, because of when you consume the product, companies are getting benefit. Now they are sharing the profit to you. Being an end user, you can save money, right? That is the power of network marketing. Vestige is the company which we have our own manufacturing unit. We have more than 300 plus products. So Vestige follow network marketing concept to sell their product. Now, Vestige is giving 9 way of income. First income is saving and consumption 10 to 20%, and accumulative performance bonus 5 to 11%, bronze director bonus 4%, business building bonus 14%, leadership bonus 16%, travel fund 5%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%, elite club bonus 2%. Other than this saving and consumption, if you calculate accumulative performance bonus to elite club bonus, which is 60% payout. And other than this accumulative performance bonus, if you calculate from bronze director bonus to elite club bonus, which is 49% royalty income. What is meant by royalty income? Friends, the business which you did once will be getting a royalty income for our lifetime. Not only for our lifetime, for our generation to generation, we will be getting 49%. So when I start this meeting, I used to share one slide. The 95% of the people income is active income, but the 5% people income is by the way of team effort. So when you are starting the network marketing business, you are coming from 95% category to 5% category, where you can generate your income by the way of team effort, right? More than 300 plus product, international business opportunity, 9 way of income. Everything is fine. If you want to get all this benefit, you should become a Vestige distributor. Friends, if you want to start any business, there is an investment. Without investment, is it possible to start any business? So what is the investment to start a Vestige business? Friends, here there is nothing to invest in this business. Not even, you are not even going to invest 10 rupees from your pocket. Then how to become a distributor? Here formalities are very, very simple. When you create your distributor ID, just purchase the product for 30 PV and you will get a unique distributor ID. The ID is the international ID. And there is no renewal. It's a lifetime ID. Along with the ID, you will get a password for our mobile app and myvestige.com, and you will get a software also where you can do your business internationally. And the first income is saving and consumption. Imagine there is a product with 120 rupees worth of MRP. If you go and purchase in the supermarket, what will be the cost? Same 120 rupees. But when you purchase 120 rupees MRP worth of product through Vestige, you will be getting for 100 rupees. That means 20 rupees is your immediate profit. Second income is accumulative performance bonus. Whenever you purchase the product, you will get a point. The point is not only from your self purchase, in your team purchase. 1 PV to 599 PV, your level is 5%. 600 to 2,399, 8%, 2,400 to 5,499, 10%, 5,500 above, you are 11%, right? To reach this 11% level, there is no target, there is no time limit. It's up to you. Friends, we did with a 3-month calculation. First month, you and your team doing 2,000 PV, as per level, your level is 8%. Second month also, you are doing same 2,000 PV. But because of the accumulation, what company says, the business which you did last month 2,000 point and this month 2,000 point, it is accumulation of 4,000. Now your level is 10%. Third month also you are doing same 2,000 point. Because of the accumulation, the previous 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000. Now you are reaching to 11%. This is example only. If you can do it in a single month or 2 month or 6 month or 10 month, either way, if you start doing this business continuously, one day you will reach a 11% level. From there, your royalty income is going to start, right? So few people, they are asked, if I do in a single month, is there any benefit? Yes. So normal procedure to reach a 8% level, 600 point is required. But in a single month, if you do 282 PV, company will directly promote you as a fast at 8%. Additionally, company will give you 800 rupees worth of gift product. To become a bronze director, normal procedure 5,500 point is required. But in a single month, when you do 4,500 point, from here you are qualified as the fast start bronze director. Once you qualify a bronze director, your royalty income is going to start. To qualify your royalty income, so company is not asking you again and again to maintain the same 6,000 point. But if you do 2,000 point minimum, you can qualify for the royalty income, right? The first royalty income is the bronze director bonus, which is 4% of the entire company global turnover going to share for the bronze directors. One of your downline become a bronze director. Now your level is silver director. From here, you are eligible for the one more income of business building bonus, which is 14% of the company global turnover going to share for the silver director and above. In a single line, in your one team single line, when you do 5,625 PV, then you are eligible for the one more income of leadership overriding bonus, where 16% of the company global turnover going to share for the LOB achievers. Once you qualify as silver director, from there you are eligible to get a travel fund also. 5% of the company global turnover going to share for the travel fund achievers. Using this travel fund, we can travel the world. In Vestige, there are 2 foreign trips. One will be in the month of January and another one in the month of August. Till now, we went more than 29 foreign trips through the Vestige. These are the country where we went for the trips. And 3 people, they qualify their level as a bronze director in your team. Now you are qualified for the car fund also. More than 5,000 people purchase the car through Vestige. More than 300 plus people purchase the luxurious cars like Audi, BMW, Jaguar. And 6 people, when they qualify their level as a bronze director, now your level is crown director. From here, you are eligible for the house fund also. 12 people, when they qualify their level as a bronze director, now you are double crown director. From here, you are eligible to get a one more income of Elite Club bonus, where you can get maximum 20 lakhs per month. Vestige also giving many offers for joining. When you join with the joining offer, like 3,200 worth of purchase, you will get around 300 rupees worth of free product. The product which we use, it is required for each month, every month, right? So whenever you purchase the product, company also will give you the repurchase offer. See, for example, when you purchase product for 750 rupees, you will get 70 rupees worth of toothpaste free. And same like for 2000, you will get around 200 worth of free product. It is called repurchase offer. And lucky draw. By lucky draw, there is a possibility to earn laptop, TV, or foreign trips. And special consistency offer we have. On few products, we have a 25% discount from the distributor price. Friends, one more great offer in Vestige is called consistency offer. When you do 100 PV continuously for 4 months, and end of the 4th month, company will give you 2,500 worth of product voucher, where you can purchase the product as per your wish. The MRP it costs nearly 3,000 rupees. In India, to do this 100 PV, approximately 3,200 worth of product purchase. So when you purchase 3,200, you will get a free product for nearly 300, and the retail profit is going to be 600, and performance bonus based on your level maximum 200. So 4-month purchase, continuous purchase is going to be 12,800, and end of the 4th month you will get 3,000 rupees gift product. So altogether for 12,800 worth of 4-month purchase, you will get 7,400 worth of product and bonus from the company, right? That means nearly 50. So company says you can save nearly 50% from the price of the product. Friends, these are the products which we use every month: toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, complexion bar, tea, coffee, shampoo, hair oil, fairness cream, talc, shaving cream, cooking oil, and protein powder. So, and supplements. These are the products. Nearly 7,000 to 8,000 rupees worth of products which we use regularly in our family. Friends, when you go and purchase the product in the supermarket, did you get any benefit? No. But when you purchase the product through Vestige, just imagine, without any investment, you are joining with Vestige. Let's take 6 months or 1 year. You are doing this business continuously and you become Crown Director. Now, if you go and purchase one Zeta tea, 120 rupees is the Zeta tea cost. As a distributor price, you will get for 100 rupees. 20 rupees is your immediate income. And then performance bonus, director bonus, travel fund, car fund, house fund, LOB, elite club bonus, all you will get. But for what purpose we purchase the Zeta tea? For our own consume. To consume the tea, when we purchase the product, company is giving you 9 type of income. And when you purchase Zeta tea 4 months with a consistency offer, the 100 rupees distributor price, right? But it actually costs 50 rupees only. That means 50% you can save from the price of the product. Friends, just imagine how many years you are buying the product from supermarket. Did you get any benefit? No. Just because changing the shop, we can save nearly 50%. Just tell me, when people comes to know about this, where they will buy the product? In supermarket or from Vestige? Definitely from Vestige. So that's what. Network marketing is one of the fastest growing business opportunity today in India. Not only in India, all over the world, network marketing is one of the fastest growing business opportunity. Right? You may ask one question. Everything is okay. Is there any people really successful in this business? Friends, there are thousands and thousands of people who's earning more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs per month. There are lakhs and lakhs of people who's earning 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 per month. So I can't bring all these people for this meeting. But friends, you can go on Google. Just Google it about the Vestige, about the network marketing industry future in India. Go to our official website, myvestige.com, success story page. There you can find all the successful leaders' success story. Go to our official media, YouTube media or Facebook page where you can find thousands of people's success story. And I'd like to share with you our Vestige ambassador, Mr. R.S. Rajan success story with you. This Mr. R.S. Rajan, this photo is taken last 15 years back. Friends, when you see this photo, how it looks, he came from the ordinary middle class family or from the luxury family. I'm from the ordinary middle class family. But he was working in a BHL as a senior manager with a salary of 1,40,000 rupees per month. 1,40,000 rupees per month, senior manager, central government job. Is there any other part-time business really required? We used to say no. But why Mr. Rajan joined this business? So he used to share with us the reason why he joined. One of his close friend, not only friend, is a family friend also. With the family of 2 kids and wife, they are staying in the quarters in the. So one day when he was working, he fell down and collapsed and fell down. When they took him to the hospital, he passed away. At that time, the family was struggling because entire family, there is only one source of income is salary. 15 years of experience, government job, one day he suddenly passed away. Now the entire family is struggling because of no source of income. The reason is his income is active income. To whom this can happen? Anybody, friends. So if your salary, if your income, if your family incomes depends only on one person, do you think is it really security for the family? No. So that's what Rajan decided at that time. So he joined Vestige. First month income 1,619 in US dollar. It is 21 US dollar, and continually started doing this business. When 1 year cross, it is 1,17, 2,98, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 11, 12, 14, 17. Even in this lockdown, last month, July month income 18 lakhs 91. Last month, August month income 24 lakhs 24,000. And not only that, in the last 10 years, earned more than 12 crores through the Vestige business opportunity. Friends, even more than 21 foreign trips. And see this person who is standing nearby Mr. Gautam Bali. See that Mr. R.S. Rajan. See this one. The photo is taken last 10 years back. See this person, look and feel and physics and structure, everything you see now. Mr. Rajan is the perfect example, as the company says, where you can get health and wealth. Mr. Rajan is the perfect example. See, this is a 10 years back photo and now, right? And today, Mr. Rajan age is 64. Definitely, he should have retired from the government job. Now, after the retirement, people dependent on the family members. But now, because of the decision which he taken 10 years back, today he is enjoying with all the luxurious, and every month, more than 20 lakhs goes to his account, bank account. And not only he is successful, under his guideline, lakhs of people are successful, making more people successful. He also successful, and he purchased 7 cars in 7 years, including 2 Mercedes Benz. Not only that, he also received an honorary doctor award by the Tamil World University from USA. And he also received a Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Excellency Award from Dr. Rosaya, Governor of Tamil Nadu. Also, he received a Kalivulaga Karna Award. Friends, all these awards he received because of Vestige. And Mr. R.S. Rajan's upline, Mr. Siddharth Singh. He is the topmost honor today in Vestige. Not only in Vestige, he is the topmost honor in Asia. And per month income is more than 1 crore. July month income more than 1 crore 18 lakhs per month. US dollar 1,58,481 US dollar per month. Friends, I like to add you one point here. As I say, network marketing industry is more than 100 plus years old industry. Vestige is just 16 years small baby. Just 16 years. And last year we did a turnover of 2,300 crore turnover. And Vestige is successfully running business in India, and now we are just entering the international market. The aim of the company to be in 50 countries with a turnover of 20,000 crore by 2025. Now just imagine when company do 2,300 crore turnover, when topmost honor is earning per month 1 crore, when company do 20,000 crore turnover, what will be the leader's income and what will be your income if you start doing this business continuously? Friends, network marketing is one of the fastest growing industry now in India. Not only in India, everywhere, right? So I will not take more time. I will complete this meeting. What we have to do to be successful in this business? What should I want to do to get success in Vestige? Vestige is the perfect system. You may be a master in what you are doing currently. Maybe in your job, or maybe you are doing a business, a traditional business, maybe a master in what you are doing. But when it comes to network marketing, the game of the network marketing is something different. So here, what you are doing outside in the traditional market, if you try to do the same here in network marketing, that will not. So if you want to be successful, don't do by your own way. Please, if you want to be successful, don't do your own way. Just follow the Vestige system, what the system says. Just follow Vestige system, then your success is 100%. There is no way to failure. Because following this system, there are lakhs and lakhs of people who are successful doing the business. And the system is created by Mr. Gautam Bali, who's legend of network marketing. So just follow Vestige system. What Vestige system says, first, when you join this business, you purchase the product in your ID, activate your ID, and consume the product first. And friends, most of the people, they used to, whenever they see some meeting and training, and immediately they try to speak about the business to the people. But it's wrong. Don't speak immediately about the business to anybody. So first consume the product and feel the product experience. When you feel the product experience and share the product experience to your people, wherever you meet a new people, share your product experience. And third, very, very important thing, start writing name list. Name list is very, very important in this business. The name list should be minimum 100 people and above. When you start writing name list, don't judge yourself. This person will do, this person will not do. Don't judge anything. Start writing all the people name list. Friends, name list is going to be an asset in this business for you. You are not even going to invest 10 rupees from your pocket. Our investment is our time and our energy. If you want to save our time and energy, the name list is very, very important. So from the name list, only we are going to invite the people. Right? So most of the people, why they are getting failure in network marketing, they are not following the Vestige system. Whenever they see the meeting and training, immediately, without following the system, without writing a name list, whoever comes to their mind, immediately they will go and speak with the people. If somebody says negative, somebody says no, immediately people are getting disappointment and they are going out of the business. But imagine if you have a name list of the 100 people, 150 people in your list, even 10 people say no, we will not worry because we have another 100 people to meet, to discuss. That's the reason the list will save your time and the energy, right? It will make you to be in the business for a longer time, right? So list is very, very important. Invite the people. So inviting people to the presentation is the crucial part in the entire system. Now, when you invite the people, just use our tools, promo video, corporate AV video, or award function video, leading ladies book. So you can share this, you can call the people, you can speak with them. And when you invite the people, please don't use your word network marketing or good company or good product. Why? Because most of the people, more than 90% of the people, they know about network marketing. Most of the people, what they know, network marketing, most people, particularly in India, most people, they think, oh, network marketing is scam. Network marketing is catching the money from the people or selling the product. So they know about the bad things about the network marketing. So the reason is many company, previously many company, they came into the industry, they looted many people money, or they given a product which is not worth for your money. That's what many people, so they are not interested on network marketing concept. So, but all the people used to say same dialogue, very good company, very good business, network marketing. If we also same dialogue, very good company, very good product, network marketing, how people will believe. So that's the reason, don't speak, don't say anything about the network marketing when you call and invite the people. So how you can invite? You just tell them, I have a business opportunity, or you can tell them, I have a work from home opportunity. So we have a presentation today night at 8 p.m. You just attend the meeting and then you decide. Choose 3 people from the list and invite them for the presentation meeting. Every day we are conducting this presentation at the same time. Invite the people for the presentation. Whatever I am speaking in the last 1 hour, is it possible to explain in 5-10 minutes? So if you try to make them understand in 5-10 minutes, maybe you will lose a good leader. So don't use that. Just write a name list and invite the people for the meeting, or use the videos. We have a recorded video in Hindi and English and Tamil and other languages also. So you can use this video for the presentation sharing. Within 30 minutes, the video will clearly explain about the product, about the company, about what is the investment. Because when people watch this video, definitely when you show 10 people, 5 to 6 people, immediately they will join. Right? At the same time, the power of the video, even the Mr. Average who comes to the business, they can easily show the video and the joining will duplicate in your network. Keep all the tools with you and always remember, in this business, our success is not only depend on ourselves, our success is our team. So if you want to get a great success in business, your team people to get a success, follow your team. Regularly follow your team. For example, if you are joining 3 people today in the meeting, immediately you have to take a follow-up with them. Call them and discuss with them. When you consume the product and speak with them, how was the product, and follow them. And follow them to start writing a name list. And follow your downline, follow your upline also. When I say upline, your immediate upline may be new for this business. Today you join, but your immediate upline who introduced you for this meeting, maybe he joined last week or 1 month before. So it is not mandatory. Your immediate upline should know everything, right? At the same time, maybe your immediate upline not doing the business. Now, by God's grace, he showed you the very good business opportunity. If your immediate upline, he is well and good. If he support to you, great. But if you're not getting support from your immediate upline, don't worry. It is your responsibility. Just be thankful for your immediate upline who showed you this meeting and showed you this business opportunity, and take the business in your hand. Identify the active upline from your sponsor upline. Please note, from your sponsor upline, find out the active upline who is doing this business continuously and go and catch their hand. Your active uplines are always ready to support you, right? So take your downline, follow your downline, follow your upline. Both should be on. Install mobile app and IVR support system. We have to know PV, BV, bonus, everything, friends, all together. Without any investment, we are going to start an international business opportunity. You are not going to invest anything. You are not going to lose any money. At the same time, the person who join in your network, they are also not going to invest any money, right? Friends, when I start this meeting, I told you within 1 hour, we can show you the path, whatever you want in your life. So what is the basic need of everyone? Everyone wanted to have health and wealth. You can get through Vestige. Everyone like to travel the world. Yes. Everyone like to buy a car, house, and fame. Everything you can get once you get success in Vestige. The one place, once you get success here, you can get everything. Friends, at the same time, just ask yourself, is there any opportunity available outside? Business or into risk? All the traditional business in and around what you are seeing today, people are crying. No business opportunity. Jobs are into risk. Like MCA graduate, engineering graduate, MTech, all the people are going for the underpaid salary today. So there is no job opportunity, there is no business opportunity, nothing, right? Without any investment, when you start the international business opportunity, is there any limit? The world is your market. Entire world is your market. You can do this business sitting from your home. You can develop the international business wherever the office is available, right? So that is the beauty of network marketing. Friends, you may be working or you may be doing business without affecting your job or without affecting your business. Just try Vestige for 2 years, minimum 2 to 3 years, without giving any reason, without affecting your job or your business. Just try 2 to 3 years with the system. Regularly follow system. Every day, invite 3 people, make them to join the meeting and training, and follow them, make them understand the business, and keep on doing for 3 years continuously. 100% you will be in the success path. After 3 years, the system will take care of your entire life. The Vestige business will take care of your entire life. Not even your life. Your entire generation is secured, right? Because the income is based on your team. The income is passive income, right? Friends, at the same time, you are not alone. We are here to support you, right? As a team, together we will work. Together we will get a great success. See you on top. Thank you all. Wish you well. If you have any doubts or any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you, friends.